What the hell are you looking for, man?
Are you already recording?
Yeah.
Oh shit. I was looking for a
Yeah, this guy's lost. He doesn't know where he left his things at, and
Look,
I think he's about to lose his mind.
I just want the proper rag. That's all I want.
The proper rag to do the proper job.
Yep.
Cool. All right.
All right.
Let's see. All right, man. What are we gonna do today?
We are going to
What
wash up
over?
the engine bay.
The engine bay. All right. What are we dealing with?
Dust, mud, corrosion.
Corrosion where?
Oh,
On the battery, huh? Look at that.
since I have a vented hood, water keeps dripping that way. But it's whatever. If you don't have corrosion, then your battery ain't working.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, it's not that dirty, but
A little
it keeps it
dust.
clean. We got dust, and I would prefer it to be a little more cleaner than how it looks right now. But the thing is, I've never cleaned an engine bay, so
First
hopefully I
time
do.
for
Hopefully I do a good job.
all of us, huh?
I'm pretty sure there's more than one product you can use.
We'll
But
probably
since
see
I'm a
it.
beginner,
All right, let's see.
I got this all clean plus all purpose cleaner degreaser super citrus. Damn, that's a long,
And
that's a
then you
long
got
word.
the fancy stuff,
So I got
dude.
this chemical guys. Chemical guys is pretty good. And
Who
then
doesn't use chemical
the
guys?
paint.
Detail brushes.
No, not any detail brushes. Bob Ross brushes.
Bob Ross.
Bob Ross. Bob Ross
Hey,
approved
they
these
forgot to put his
brushes.
face on there though. Like,
Yeah.
where-
I'll make Bob Ross proud with using those. And then first,
First,
3 bags.
3 bags.
One for the alternator.
Alternator.
One for the battery.
Alternator
And then
right there.
this one for the. No, the ECU has to be covered. Yeah,
So,
there you go.
alternator, battery,
alternator,
and ECU.
ECU, and battery has to be covered.
Got it, sir.
Because this thing's gonna get drenched in water. So those you have to cover those up, or the car won't probably come out after.
Use them muscles, boy. Yeah.
Bag number 1. Dollar Tree.
Mm.
Go ahead and wrap this bad boy up.
Okay. Committing a crime right now. Yeah. Gotta suffocate this battery.
Mike is eating it now.
You're eating the acid.
Just make sure this side's nice and covered. Oh yeah,
Presto.
there we go.
Oh,
All right,
oh,
bag
shit, my
number
bad.
2. Don't worry about that. All right, so bag number 2. Dude, I can't open it.
Let me zoom in that Kermit the Frog, man. Oh, look at that. That's sick.
And now we got a always fresh, always authentic.
Authentic, eh?
Yeah. Put the bag over the alternator for this one. I guess I can like rip it from here so I can wedge it through
Mm-hmm.
like that. That looks pretty secure enough.
Let's have a look. Yeah. Looks awesome.
And then, last but not least, let's see. This one's a lot more. This one I want to make sure it's covered. It's gonna fry everything.
Yeah, you won't have a car. It's wet that thing and getting a new one. You know, like a lot of parts are like not in stock. Imagine getting a new ECU.
Oh, yeah, that's like the worst thing. One of the most expensive thing. Like one of the most expensive things. I don't know if I like that. I don't know if I should cover it like this. You know what? I'm just spray it out more. Just like that.
Looks
Okay.
pretty good to me.
All right, sir.
All right, first step.
Can you shake it?
Shake it. Yeah, it's good to shake things before you, yeah, like that.
Shake weight. That's how I learned that.
Dude.
Now you want to flip it. So there's spray and then there's stream. Then we'll do spray. All right, let's start spraying this bad boy.
Spraying it.
Okay.
Let's get it.
I guess just we'll start from this side. So from what I've seen, all it is just spray it evenly here and there. There we go. Get more intense. Oh, dude, that looks pretty cool.
Yeah.
Look at that. It's hella green. And like I said, I've never done this before. So if I'm overspraying or spraying somewhere I shouldn't, it's kind of too late for that because I'm already going ham.
Damn, that shit's strong.
I think it.
Yeah, if you inhale it, yeah.
Yep. Yeah, that's strong, dude. I think I need a gas mask. All right.
Well,
Here,
we'll be dead by the end of the
I guess
vlog,
you
guys.
said it. See? I guess we just start brushing. You want to help me brush?
Yeah.
All right. Which brush do you want?
Give me the medium one.
This one?
El mediano way.
Medium brush for you.
Medium.
And then I'm gonna be getting the big brush, I guess. And then let me spray it again real quick.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Just because of why not, right?
Yeah. Give
Spray
it a little
again real
pressure.
quick. Spray. And then start brushing.
I mean, it's definitely gonna be cleaner after you
Alright.
fucking spray it.
I'm just gonna respray it again because why not? And then I'm gonna hit it with water. Yep, here we go. So spray it again. I mean, you're looking at the car, they'll know what we're doing probably.
Daijoubu.
Alright. So engine bay's all greened out. From the chemical guys product. We scrubbed it away, but I decided to just hit it again. And I mean,
I noticed there's a lot of oil, or like mainly right here because of the duct,
yeah, 'cause
right?
of my vent. And it's just the when it rains, water just goes in there. But hey, it's a cool hood. I knew what I was getting myself into.
Yeah.
And a car, it's always gonna get dirty, so. But you guys can see.
It's gonna clean up
kinda
real
clean.
good.
There we go.
I think that's fairly clean.
All right, I'm gonna grab the hose. So let's turn this on and let's wash this down. Dude, I hope I bagged up everything pretty good because this is my daily, and if it doesn't turn on, then I'm fucked.
If something goes wrong, I got 2 cars. I'll let you borrow one.
Okay, I mean,
Yeah, I'm sure we'll be fine though.
yeah,
Yeah, we'll be good.
Step back, cause this
Oh yeah, it's known
thing
to.
is
It's got tape all over. Look at that. Tape all over the damn hose. Oh,
there you go. Oh,
too much squirting and
there we
shit.
go. Okay.
Oh,
Shoot. All right. Dude, I've never done this before.
How does it feel, huh?
I feel a little bit worried. I'm not gonna lie, I feel worried. Dude, I can see. You see that? It's
What?
clean already.
Ah,
Well, I can. Of course, we cleaned it, but
Wow.
dude, this is popping. The red.
The red, definitely, huh?
I think that's good. All right. Now,
No.
if there's this like blower, like compact blower that they sell, that they use to like blow off the water so it can dry faster. I don't have that, which I kind of wish I did.
Darn.
That's pretty good. Well, I guess we'll just use drying towels. Be right back. Gonna go find some.
Yee.
I don't think honestly, I don't think these are gonna work. These are way too thin. I do have drying towels, but maybe this one.
That one's a lot
It's a little
poofier and
wet.
stuff.
It's
More
a-
absorbent.
Yeah, it's a little. I mean, it's not dry though. I don't know what.
Huele a qué? ¿A qué huele?
I don't know. I was trying to smell it to see what I've used it for, because I don't know. Every towel I use, I smell it. I can smell the difference between windshield foam spray and like wheel tire spray.
Mmm.
And I just go, oh, okay, I use this for the wheel, and I use this to dry the window.
I use it to wipe my ass.
Next time we do this, it'll be a lot more professional.
Oh yeah, we'll have a pressure washer with us, and yeah.
Oh, this one for sure. I want to dry right here. Oh, dude,
What?
I'm stuck.
No, okay, hold on.
Oh, there,
you
I
go.
got it.
You got caught on this motherfucker right here.
Yeah,
right here.
I felt it.
Do the honors. It's all wet under when you take it off. No,
There
we're
we
fine.
go. Okay, that's
We're
good.
fine.
Next one. Ready?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh shoot.
No.
Yeah,
Okay, we're good.
I
We're
covered
good.
that one.
What about the battery? Did any water go inside? Let's find out. What?
Yeah, I did.
We're
See,
fine.
I was fine. Let's go ahead and see if it turns on.
Let's do it.
Yeah. So, let me move these guys out of the way.
The motherfucking Home Depot.
Oh wait, I need my keys. Duh.
Your keys.
Alright. Moment of truth.
Moment of truth. Here we go.
Oh. Alright. You wanna like check if like something's about to catch on fire maybe?
Oh yeah, good idea. Good idea.
Alright, here I go.
Let her rip.
I have to turn it off for real.
Okay. I was like, what? Like that.
Dude,
No lights or anything under in the dash, right?
the only light that was turning on was the, what was it called again? The indicator that tells you if your engine's cold or not. But that only
The
makes,
temp?
Yeah. Coolant, no, not the coolant temp. The engine temp or whatever. That one. The
oil
No, not the oil one. There's a signal that tells you if your car's too cold, and then when it's like warm enough, or
Isn't it? The only one I
No.
could think of is the coolant one.
no. Well, this one, like, if my car sits, I'm pretty sure, I don't know, maybe it's
With mine,
maybe 'cause your car's probably a little older.
yeah, I don't have all those
but
luxuries
on
and
almost
stuff.
on every car, you know, you want to like warm it up, of course.
Yeah.
And then I have an indicator that tells me that my car's cold. And then once it is warm, it'll like go away. So that's the only indicator. But it's like that's nothing serious.
Yeah.
Well, I guess that does conclude it. Look, this, what the hell is this? Well, like I said, it's not always gonna be the best, but
I think that might be from like the dried up water and stuff. Like just kind of like,
yeah,
kind of chilling there. No, honestly, I don't know what it is either. I'm just coming up with things. Close that baby up.
I guess that's it though. That's all we were really trying to do. Is
So,
getting a last look at it.
get a shot from every little.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
And now, of course, I'm about to wash my car, but
now the engine bay is clean.
yeah, engine bay's clean. That's 5 horsepower.
Added.
Yeah, you know,
Can't
that
complain
dust,
about that.
That dust weighs 5 pounds. Taking off that dust. 5 horsepower.
Bruh.
Dude.
I can't complain, dude. Like,
Yeah. So if you have a hard time catching up to me, just know I got that extra 5 horsepower now. But well, that's basically it. So for now, this is it. Adrian, thank you again.
of course,
We'll do
mate.
this some other time, and we'll see. I'll catch you guys later.